Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try sky blue striped shirt with dark blue jeans and white sneakers. Next you can try tan polo t-shirt with black jeans and grey sneakers. Next you can try black t-shirt with light blue jeans and black sneakers. Next you can try white shirt with black pants and black loafers. Next you can try navy blue shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try off-white polo t-shirt with tan pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with beach pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black shirt with cream pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black half sleeve shirt with black jeans and white sneakers. Watch this video to know 35 blazer outfit ideas.